Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a Costco membership. So first of all, simply come here on costco.com. Now over here on the home page, you need to hover over to the membership section, and here you need to just simply click on the option of join today. Now when you do this, you will be landed here on this particular page where you need to basically choose the membership that you want. So over here you can just simply select a gold star membership for $65 per year, or you can also upgrade to the executive membership for $130 per year. Now Costco also offer the business membership options if you qualify for that. So after choosing the membership that you want, you just have to simply click on the option of join. Then you will be landed on the membership application page. Now over here you need to just simply start filling out all of these details. It includes providing your first name, your last name, your date of birth, your address details. Then you just have to scroll down and click on the option of continue. Now on the next page you need to continue to the checkout, enter your payment information and complete the membership purchase. Now after your payment is processed, Costco is going to email you your new membership number. So your physical membership card aren't mailed, so you need to visit to the membership counter at a Costco warehouse in order to receive your cards. So you can also join in person by visiting the membership desk at any Costco warehouse if you prefer to complete the process there. So that's how you can get a Costco membership. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.